Good morning and assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are enjoying the rainy weather and we are back to the studies again after the assessments. I had a very good time. I enjoyed a lot during the assessment orals with you all. Now we were on the book Lost in the Jungle and we read that they all were in a jungle, and what they saw in the jungle, they saw monkey, snake, alligators. Remember, at the bank of the river they found some alligators also. And what happened, they found a rope bridge and they found two explorers there. Who were the explorers? A man and the lady. Now we will read forward. As you all know that we have to start our book again, so we have to continue it. Let's read forward from page number 20. So write the date at the top of the book, that is 24-8, that is the month of August, and dash 2020. Now read the first line with me. They found a boat on the bank of the river. The boat was full of water. "Oh God," said the explorers. "We lost this boat years ago." What happened at the bank of the river, at the corner of the river, they found a boat also, and this boat was lost by the explorers many years back. Now they have found it. So let's read to the next page, that is page number 21. Now Dave got in the boat and paddled up the river. Underline the word paddled. "Look at all the alligators," said Chip. "I hope it's not their dinner time." What's paddled? It's paddled means a boat, moving a boat forward with a thing they have in the hand. Can you see? That's a paddle of the boat. So they are paddling the boat forward, and there are many alligators also. And Chip is saying, "Look at the alligators. I hope it's not their dinner time so that they won't eat us." Turn the page, page number 22. They came to a waterfall. The explorers could not stop the boat. The paddle had broken. "Look out," he called. "We are going to get wet." Now what happened? They have come to a waterfall. They are sitting in the boat and they are moving forward, and when they went forward, there is a water falling from a high place. Can you see backside of the board in the picture? That's a waterfall. Now they have come to the waterfall, but the explorer couldn't stop the boat to show that waterfall to the children, because the paddle with which the boat was moving forward, it has been broken. So he couldn't move the boat, so he couldn't stop the boat. He's saying, "Look out, we are going to get wet. हम गीले होने वाले हैं. We are going to get wet." Now come to page number 23. The boat went through the waterfall. "Oh help," said Anina. "I don't like getting wet." "Think of the alligators," said Chip. "It's better than getting eaten." Eaten means eat. Eat. The word has come from eat. Okay. The boat went through the waterfall. They went forward and the boat is going through the waterfall. So Anina is saying, "I don't like getting wet." But Chip said, "It's better to be eaten by alligators. We may get wet." So now come to the copy work, all of you. Open your index in the copy. Write serial number, that is 20, the date 24/8/2020, and W/S. that is word sentences. Then number 21, the same date. Then you will write the topic who said question mark. Okay, now open the copy from inside. Write the heading with blue color W/S and word sentences. Make two columns. Small column for words and big column for sentences. Write the date on the top with pencil. Then you will write the first word, that is lost. You know what do you mean by word sentences? We did in the previous book also that we have to use these words, the given words, in our own sentences in our own way. The first word is lost. I have made a sentence for an example for you of lost is I lost the key of my car. You have to make another sentence by yourself of the same word. Then the other second word is better. Third is angry. Fourth is worry. Five is found. You have to make the sentences for these words. Better means something good. Angry, the person who is very angry, he is in anger, gussa. Number 4, worry. Worry means परेशान होना. Number 5, found, कुछ मिल जाना, something found. Now you make your own sentences. I have told you the meanings in Urdu also now. Okay, now come to the other page, the next page. You will do the heading with blue color of who said. You will write the date with pencil. Now number 1 who said is you have to write in inverted comma, and inverted comma is open with 66 and close with 99. Okay, someone who says something, you write you write that in inverted commas. किसी की कुछ कही हुई बात हम inverted commas में लिखते हैं. Number 1, it's wonderful. Answer, who said this? Said Biff. Biff, B capital because it's a name. Number 2, inverted commas open with 66. I don't mind a bit. Full stop and inverted commas close. Who said this? Said Mom. Number 3, inverted commas open. We can't go this way. Full stop, inverted commas close. Said Chip. C capital for Chip. We will study this sentence forward when we move to more pages. Now, number 4, inverted commas open. Don't worry. Full stop and inverted commas close. Who said this? Said the lady. Number 5, inverted commas open. The monkey looks cross. Cross means angry. Answer, said Kipper. K capital for Kipper. Now your homework is to complete this work at home and send me the image. As usual, you remember we do the same thing, and that's all. Thank you.